How to change your display name on Spotify following few steps. Make sure you are connected to internet. Now open your Spotify app. Here we go. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now at the top right corner you can see settings icon. Tap on it. At the top you can see the option of view profile. Tap on that option. Tap on edit profile option. Now here you can see your display name. You just have to remove your old display name in this way. Now type new display name for your Spotify account. After you are done, tap on save at the top right corner. Here you can see that I have easily changed my display name on Spotify. In this way, you can also easily change your display name on Spotify. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.